Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo 3 and let me share with you how to enable the automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the top to find my device. Now let's scroll down again, enter detailed info and specs. Scroll down a little bit to find OS version and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check out tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down and find developer options, and after entering, scroll down again a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates. Now let's tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.